Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Kare Kare. This classic Filipino stew is known for its rich, savory peanut sauce and tender meat. We'll start by gathering all the essential ingredients, including your choice of meat like oxtail or tripe, and a colorful array of vegetables. Then, we'll prepare the creamy peanut sauce that gives Kare Kare its distinctive flavor. Get ready to create a truly delicious and comforting meal for your family and friends. The key to a perfect Kare Kare is incredibly tender meat. Begin by simmering your oxtail or tripe in a large pot of water. This slow cooking process is crucial and can take anywhere from 3 to 4 hours, ensuring the meat is fall-off-the-bone tender. Remember to regularly skim off any foam or impurities that rise to the top. Once cooked, set the meat aside and carefully reserve about 6 cups of the rich, flavorful broth for our sauce. Now, let's create that signature peanut sauce. In a separate pot, sauté garlic and onions until fragrant. Stir in the ground roasted peanuts and a few tablespoons of rice flour to help thicken the sauce. Slowly pour in the reserved meat broth, whisking constantly to prevent lumps. Add annatto water for that beautiful, characteristic orange-red hue. Let it simmer gently until it reaches a slightly thick consistency. Separately, quickly blanch your vegetables like string beans, eggplant, and bok choy. Finally, it's time to bring everything together. Add your tender, cooked meat and the blanched vegetables into the simmering peanut sauce. Stir gently to ensure everything is well coated and allow it to simmer for another 5 to 10 minutes, letting all those wonderful flavors meld. Serve your delicious Kare Kare hot, accompanied by a generous dollop of bagoong alamang on the side. This savory, umami-rich condiment perfectly complements the rich peanut sauce. Enjoy this hearty Filipino classic with steamed white rice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.